Welcome back to our channel once again, and in this video we will be talking about the features of Android 9 Pie on the Nokia 7 Plus. Nokia 7 Plus is among the very few devices to receive the latest update from Google. So if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and without any further introduction, let's get started. The most attractive part, that is the control center of 9 Pie, changed a lot after the 8.1 Oreo. The icons are now round in shape with adjustable dark and light themes. The control center just got a new look after the 9 Pie update. Android has plenty automated features, and a few important ones are getting a lot smarter in the 9 Pie. So the new gesture navigation is added at the bottom of the screen. In Pie, you can drop the standard back, home and recent buttons in the favor of a new gesture-based navigation. Pulling the pill bar to your right lets you switch between the recent apps running in the background. The animation of 9 Pie has been changed totally. Coming to the next point, adaptive battery is an expansion of the DUS features introduced on 6.1. Now the adaptive battery goes further by learning about the apps and services you use most often. Android's automatic brightness gets an upgrade in 9 Pie. Your phone will learn the brightness level you prefer in apps and environments and adjust it automatically. It is based on AI technology that adjusts your brightness based on your preferences. Coming on to the screen rotation, Android automatically switches your screen orientation based on how it's situated. You can lock the orientation to portrait or landscape in previous Android versions, but in Android 9 Pie, your auto rotate is turned off. You'll see a new icon on the right side of the navigation bar when you rotate your device to landscape. Pressing the icon rotates your screen manually. This gives you a total control on your selective preference. In most of the devices, Google Lens is integrated on the Google Assistant. But after the Android 9 Pie update, Google Lens is integrated on the camera itself. Though Google Lens is available on the camera application on the stock Android versions of Android 8.1 Oreo, Google Lens gives you information on anything you want to know with just one single tap on the screen. So this was the review of Android 9 Pie on the Nokia 7 Plus. Android 9 Pie is now available across all Pixel devices and the Nokia 7 Plus. So if you guys liked this video, leave a like, subscribe to this channel and follow us on Instagram to know more about us. Well, with that being said, it's Team White signing out here, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.
Sure.